Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. First, I degrease this part acetone. Don't even think about getting this stuff near fire. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to heat it up with this butane. Heat this up, and I'm going to use a glue gun and glue this on there, and then I'm going to cut it out. I guess I'm about ready. Never will be. Boy, it's hot. I'm hoping this will stick well enough. I don't know yet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to let this set good. This is called closed cell, 1/4 inch closed cell rubber. Got it on eBay. About $6 delivered. Got a whole sheet of it. Pretty good stuff, great stuff. Just hoping this works. Let that glue set up good, get cold, and I'm going to cut the center out, cut this edge out. See how that works. This is my piece after I cut it out. It's not the prettiest. Hopefully it'll work. I'll put the gun together and we'll test it. I got the compressor all the way up. I cut it off so you can hear full pressure on it. It's working. No leaks. Thing is, they should work if it holds.